If you are looking for the perfect cake recipe that never fails, you've just found it. Let me show you how I make this at home. It melts in the mouth and is so moist and sweet. To begin, I have to keep all my dry ingredients ready. I used 2 cups of flour, a spoon of baking powder, sieved all of that and set aside. Here I'll be using 225 grams of butter. Now go in with half cup of sugar. Mix all of that until it becomes very fluffy. This is where many people fails in baking cake. If this mixture is not very fluffy, as you can see in this video, your cake will probably be very strong and not moist enough. So once you achieve that fluffy combination, go ahead and whisk 5 eggs. 5 eggs, whisk until it starts foaming on the top, and then gradually add into your already mixed sugar and butter. Now go in with a tablespoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix all of that together and then go in with a cup of milk. As you can see, this mixture is beginning to loosen up and is becoming very light. Now the 2 cups of flour we sieved earlier, we gradually add it into the mixture and then whisk. Here you are not to whisk forever. Whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's well combined, go ahead and transfer for baking. Please, you advise not to over whisk at this point. Now to prepare your baking pan, go ahead and apply butter on it first, then add in some flour. Make sure it's applied all over the pan, okay? That is to prevent it sticking on the pan. Once that is achieved, go ahead and transfer into your baking pan or your baking paper. Here I made some into cupcakes, while the other I added directly into the pan. Now another secret is, make sure you do this I'm doing on the screen right now. This is to let out all the trapped air into the trapped air in the cake, in the batter. Yes, so it won't go flat while baking. Once all of that is done, go ahead and bake your cake. Here I did this using air fryer. I baked at 200 degrees for 5 minutes and my cupcakes are ready. On the other hand, I use my oven to bake this 200 degrees for 30 minutes and my cake is ready. Guys, this cake tested so heavily. As you can see, it's so fluffy and moist and everyone really enjoyed it. If you had to eat this cake, how many of it would you eat? Tell me in the comment section, and please let me know when you try out this recipe. I'll appreciate it, okay? If you have not followed, please follow, and don't forget to share with your loved ones so they can know how to bake cake. Thank you for watching, as I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.